morning, my dear students. Today we'll learn about Albert Einstein. He was one of the famous and greatest scientists of the world. Albert Einstein. He was born in the year 1878 in South Germany. He was poor and he was having a very hard life. And when Einstein was in school, he was like an ordinary student. He was not that much good in studies. He scored good marks only in maths, not in other subjects. He was interested in studying maths. That's why he scored good marks only in maths. And most of the time he spent in studying maths and physics. Albert completed his studies at the age of 21. And Albert Einstein was a different kind of scientist. He did not do his scientific experiments in the laboratory like the other scientists. What he did, he planned the scientific ideas, his ideas in his mind only. He planned everything in his mind. Later, he used lot of scientific ideas, lot of scientific formulas on the ideas. Like that, he do his experiments, not in the scientific laboratory. And one of his famous theory of Albert Einstein was the theory of relativity. And this theory explained that the atom, generally we think that atom is the smallest particle. If we break down something, the smallest particle is called the atom. But under the theory of relativity, Einstein told that atom is not the smallest particle. Even the atoms were made up of many of the more smallest particles. That means if you break down one atom, that atom is also made up of many particles. So the atom is not the smallest particle. It is made up of many other different smallest particles. It is one of the important theories of Albert Einstein. And slowly, Albert Einstein became famous all over the world. And he even got the PhD. He was given the PhD degree in 1905 by the Zurich University. He got the PhD degree. He was given PhD degree by Zurich University. And his ideas helped in making some other things. His ideas help in making some other things like the television, atom bomb. The invention of these things are based on the ideas of Albert Einstein. And the other scientists of all around the world, they found that, slowly they found that there are many proofs regarding the ideas of Albert Einstein. That's why he became famous all over the world. And at the age of 34, he became a professor in the University of Berlin. He got the job of a professor in the University of Berlin at the age of only 34. And he worked there for 18 years. For 18 years, he was teaching in the University of Berlin as a professor. He got many honors. Even Albert Einstein got the Nobel Prize also. And Albert Einstein was not only a scientist, he was also a lover of freedom and peace. And he went and visited many of the places of the world. At last, in 1933, when Hitler came into power in Germany, Albert Einstein left Germany and he came to the United States of America. And in United States of America, he continued in writing about or doing on his scientific ideas. He continued with his works in the United States of America. And Albert Einstein died in the year 1954. 1905. Okay, student, this is about Albert Einstein. Thank you.